Hi Virgo, this is your channel messages for the 30th of October. We're doing your clarifying Taurus spread. Virgo, let's go ahead and go into your reading. It will not take long, probably about 3 to 4 minutes, to be honest with you. Let's see what's up in your reading. What do you need to know? Virgo, what do you need to know, Virgo? The Knight of Swords. Well, you need to know that something is going to be rushed. Some don't know if they are rushing for move out, for move in, or for sign documents. Somebody is rushing you to go into some type of documental paperwork. Be careful, because they might rushing you to do something because they might hide something in the contract, okay? They don't want you to notice something, or they don't want you to catch up to something too quickly. So I'm getting be careful. They might force you to put your signature upon something or to get bind to some type of contract, okay? What you need to embrace. Yeah, this is the contract. So I don't know what the contract comes with. They will say, yes, you will get money, but you have to pay. Them not tell you say you have to pay it back. Or they will tell you say, yeah, you'll get money, but it's going to cut off at a certain time. I'm getting something about, you're going to sign for money, you're going to sign for your loan, you're going to sign for this advance to do something with. What you need to release. You need to release the dirty pussy queen of wands. I'm getting a Sagittarius, Leo, or Aries woman. Maybe she's standing in your way, but I'm getting as soon as they get the money, you have to release this woman. Maybe the woman is blocking you. She finds out that she can't block you no more. You see, as they get the money, you stop talking to her. Don't even tell her why. Because I'm getting, you know, she was the one to do this to you. I'm getting, she want you to hurry up and sign this contract. So it's either she want to pull a fast one on you, meaning if the contract of a $2,000, she want you to sign for $1,500 so she can take $500. I'm getting she try to short you into the contract, or she trying to rush you to sign the contract. What is next? Yeah, I'm getting a call one guy. Somebody need you to move out before the guy. I'm getting somebody want you to leave before the guy. There's this guy that's interested in you. Somebody want to move you out to the other, wherever you are before the guy approach you. Because I'm getting if you move, the guy going to be like, where she went? And them going to be like, okay, we don't know. She left. She went back home. She moving with her man. She can't tell you anything. So I'm getting them to try to get rid of this girl. Or I'm getting this other woman who try to get rid of you. She getting rid of you before the guy approach you. Maybe the guy still a think or the guy still a ask around. But I'm getting two things that will happen. I'm getting is either you're going to move out or you're going to leave before the... I'm getting you're going to start work at this place, you're going to move out, there's a contract you're going to sign. I'm getting the people that need you to sign the contract before the guy approach you. So you can leave before the guy. So when you leave, the guy can't say, shit, I should have talked to her when I had a chance. Because I'm getting you in a location now and the guy know where you are. But somebody need you to leave, so they're going to offer you something quickly. So I'm getting be careful, because I feel like at the end of this month, going into next month, somebody them going to rush you for do something. You're being rushed. But it's because of this guy who interested in you. They don't want the guy know where you're there. Or they want, I don't know. Maybe them, yeah, 5 of Pentacles. Or the guy gonna say she really leave and not tell me. You didn't tell her anything. You told her friends stuff. You tell her friends things and expect her to know. Should she tell her friends that she's pregnant with your child? To expect you to know? Exactly, so think smarter, not harder. Okay? Great. Let's see what else we're getting here. I feel like someone wants you to sign a fucked up contract, or they might make you sign a contract and then not tell you so the contract not last a long time. So you're gonna sign it and then they're gonna left you in it again. Be careful if you're homeless, somebody gonna make you sign one lease or one place to make the people make you homeless again. So be careful, you hear? Come and see a black cat here. So I'm getting the black cat to protect you. Somebody is going to give you a contract to sign. They're not telling you what you signed for. They must sell you a blood clot lemon. And they're going to make you sign and you're going back in a 5 of Pentacles again. You're protected. Thankfully, I'm reading a tarot before that bitch tried to approach you. So you know what to expect. Right? Right. Thank you. Third eye on the tower. You saw. So now what tower is going to happen for them. Them sweet. All when I'm outnumbered, I am still not out. mental celled. That's what the fuck it is. You still don't have more mental cell, fucking mental prowess than me. So outnumber me all your blood clot want, just like the warts on your pussy. Forbidden fruit is another one. What else? We got Leo coming out, a beer yellow, the yellow bone. Man, this white man really can't take no for a fucking answer, huh? Damn, okay, let us continue the fucking reading. Meditation, one more. And initiation rituals. I'm going to leave it here until next time, Virgo. Bye.